everybody, Noah Luke with MarineMax here in St. Pete, all aboard the brand new Aviara 32, powered by, you guessed it, Mercury Marine. As you can see, this boat has all kinds of space. When you think luxury, when you think premier, Aviara should be the first thing in your mind. Come on, let's take a peek. Starting off in the back here, you notice that Aviara wanted plenty of space in the aft for all kinds of sun lounging, right? So just super easy. Pop these up. 1, 2, and 3. All of a sudden, your party at the sandbar just got a whole lot more fun. Wait, there's more. You got more people? No big deal. Come on. Let's have a couple cocktails out at the sandbar. Check it out. No big deal. Let's have some fun. Everywhere you look around the Aviara 32, you're gonna notice two things. Speakers, cup holders, which means it's time for a party. As you can see, there's plenty of space here in the cockpit for seating. Come over here, you have a nice little storage area. Up top, you have an insulated box right here, along with a freshwater sink. As you can see, we have our joystick piling operation going on right now with Skyhook, which we will get into in a little bit, but I'll take Skyhook off right here. Mercury Marine 300 Verados on the back. Super easy, reliable. We love Mercury. Coming to this right here, forward, reverse, side to side joystick piloting operation makes docking super easy. Skyhook, you press the button, it's gonna keep you within 5 feet from wherever you're at. So if you're waiting on a bridge, you're waiting on some people to come to the dock, simply press that. It's gonna use GPS and it'll keep you within 5 feet. Don't need to touch a button. Talking all things electronics on the Aviara, you have this tablet style screen which has complete control of your vessel, from your radio to the kind of lights you wanna put on. Everything right here in the palm of your hands. And then of course, Old Faithful, you have your SIMRAD screens right here. Preferably, I like to run my Mercury screen right here so I can see my RPMs, miles an hour, temperature on my engines, and then I run my charts right here. Come on this way to the bow. What are some of the first two things we talked about in this video? Speakers, cup holders. What more do you want? Plenty of storage right here to hang out at the sandbar. You have controls to your radio right there. I can relax here all day. Last but not least, with the premier features of the Aviara, you cannot forget the spacious head. You have all your passengers on board. All good. Thanks for tuning in on this episode with the Aviara 32. This boat is available, brand new, ready for delivery. Come on down, 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South, MarineMax St. Pete. I am Noah Luke, here to help. See you soon, guys. Bye.